The second most common question we receive about implant treatment after the cost is whether the treatment is going to hurt, how painful it is. So we decided to ask one of our patients, we sprung it on her in fact, about her implant, and just to tell you a little bit more about the experience of having the implant. And here she is.
So I'm having a dental implant today in order for me to get a new tooth. They're going to screw in an implant which a new crown will then be put on after a couple of months when the implant has settled. So at the moment I've got a big gaping hole there because I had to have a tooth removed because it had gone bad after a root canal, and so it's going to be a kind of a new fake tooth in that position. It's been really good. All the information that has come out has been very thorough. Everything has been explained really well. The dentist has gone over my x-rays and showed me everything. I really like that because I like to see what's going on, and so he explains, you know, the depth that things are going to go into and the thickness of my jaw and the space that the implant's going to go into. So he's explained everything brilliantly, and sometimes you don't get all that information. So it's been a really good, really smooth experience. I'm really pleased about that. It's been the best dental experience that I've had. The only thing, I guess, is how well it's going to heal and how long it might be painful. But when the tooth was taken out, when he took that out, it was very quick, and I didn't suffer any problems. So I've just had my implant put in. My mouth is a bit numb, so do excuse me if it feels like I can't move it properly. I didn't feel a thing. It was amazing. The numbing was probably the only thing you feel, slight scratching, and then kind of all the drilling and all that stuff. Didn't feel anything. He put some stitches in after the implant, and that was quite an odd sensation, but not because you can feel it, just because you can see the stitches. But it was, honestly, it was so quick, didn't feel anything, and then all done. It's in there, so now I've just got to wait for it to heal and then get my tooth to go on top of it. Oh, the team were really good. They were asking if I was okay throughout it. The music was playing, so that was quite fun. No, they were really reassuring, and it just made me feel like it really wasn't a big deal. They made it like it wasn't a big deal, and then when it happened, it really wasn't a big deal. So it was absolutely fine.